What's up, people of YouTube? It's me, Evan, and today I am finally going to play PlayerUnknowns Battleground, also known as PUBG, if you can call it that. So I've heard it's like the same as Fortnite, but I can't try and download Fortnite on my phone. So I'm just gonna play PUBG instead. Let's get started. I'm gonna play this guest. Yeah, I don't care about that. Okay. There we go, that's better. Oh my gosh, no. No. Not really. Kinda. I'll do it. No. Maybe. Heck no, I'm not bald. I need that. That's better. Yo, boy. Evan. Bush. Oh, I want to make one name. Yo, boy. Evan. Bush. Done. Wait, what? I don't want a ponytail. Try this one. Create. Got. You received 100 gold. I don't want to wear my underwear. Oh, let's see if I can, How can I buy some clothes? Tutorial. Ooh, sorry. Parachute, backpack, weapons, throwables, consumables, vehicles, inventory. I want to get a shirt. I wear a shirt. Here are my clothes. What about shirts? Decent appearance. Why do I have to be in my underwear? This is stupid. You see a man in his underwear? Yeah, right. Match starts in... Punch somebody right in the face. Hey, you asshole. So this is really like Fortnite, eh? Kill 100 people to get that stupid chicken dinner. Yeah, that's what it says in the description. Yeah. Okay. Jump. Okay. I can go down peacefully without killing myself. It's gonna take a long time. Is there a way for me to, like, I don't know. It's taking way too long. Restricting the play area in 5 miles. Sorry about that. I was just trying to get my underwater man in here. What's in my bag? Face. Gotta be some guns in here. Oh god. Gotta be some guns. teammate died. What? Oh shoot, I forgot it was still paused, dang. Can't get enough of this PUBG bullcrap. Even though it's the first time I'm playing it. I gotta find some more ammo. Oh god. What was that? What was that? What's going on in there? Is that an ammo bag? I don't know. Gotta check it out. What's going on over there? Is there any ammo in there? Gotta find some ammo. Got to find some ammo. Okay. Let's see. Got some smoke grenades. No, wait. It's nearby. There's nothing in here. Oh, this is bullcrap. What about in those houses? Can I go in there? Ah, boy. Oh boy. This is gonna be so bad. Sheesh. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Just hold on, let's see what's going on in those houses. They have houses, just RVs. Can I get in that truck? Not exactly. Hold on, let's see if I can get some ammo in that house. Maybe that'll help. Wow. Haven't been in a house in this time. Gasoline? Who has gasoline in here? Why is there freaking gasoline? This house is just disappointing. I'm out of here. So I don't cancel. No. Just want to freaking find a way to survive in this island. Nearby. Motorcycle helmet. Find bondage. Still want to get some more ammo. How? Oh my god. Drive. Exit. Okay. Shoot, I need firepower. So many firepower. What's going on here? Motorcycle helmet. I can handle that. Ah, oh, sweet. Got some ammo now. Ooh. Oh, dang. You get some more guns than I ever got. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Now I just have to find some people to kill. Picked up 12 gauge ammo. Okay then. I can handle that. I can handle this. Hey you! Who are you trying to kill me? Where are you trying to kill? Who's trying to kill me? Which of you is trying to kill me? Ow, ow, ow. You watch yourself, you stupid. I got an AK-47 and a Desert Eagle, and I'm not afraid to use it. You're going down. You're gonna die. You're gonna die, Scully Under. If I can find you. Hey, I'm back in that house. Or am I? I do not know. Whoa. Expect that. Gotta get inside. Is there anything in here? Picked up UMP9. Oh, shoot. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm freaking talking about, baby. Getting some more ammo, getting some more guns, getting a backpack. That's what I'm talking about. Anything in here? No? Alright. Hey, you! No! Oh, I'm so... Dang. I got killed. Oh well. Oh well. I'll see you guys later. This is my first PlayerUnknowns Underground mobile, what's that? I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.